Hello, my name is Luisa Fernanda Arias, and this is the reading aloud about the short story Two Kind Uncles Crying to the Beat by LUIFERAR. Lara Jones was thinking about Kiera Black again. Kiera was a smart student with chubby arms and thick lips. Lara walked over the window and reflected on her dark surroundings. She had always loved Hughes University with its broken bulbous building. It was a place that encouraged her tendency to feel love. Then she saw something in the distance, or rather someone. It was the smart figure of Kiera Black. Lara gulped. She glanced at her own reflection. She was a thoughtless, lonely Coke drinker with ginger hair and thick lips. Her friends saw her as a splendid, spumongous student. Once she had even helped a stinky little cat recover from a flying accident. But not even a thoughtless person who had once helped a stinky little cat recover from a flying accident was prepared for what Kiera had in store today. The rain hammered like a dancing bird, making Lara sad. Lara grabbed an ancient chair that had been located nearby. She massaged it with her fingers. As Lara stepped outside and Kiera came closer, she could see the stupid smile on her face. Kiera gazed with the affection of 5,699 proud, confused cats. She said in hushed tones, "I love you, and I want love." Lara looked back, even more sad and still fingering the ancient chair. "Kiera, I love you, but I love me more, so I have to take care of myself first," she replied. They looked at each other with ashamed feelings, like two bad blue bees smiling at a very cool special dinner, which had R&B music playing in the background, and two kind uncles crying to the beat. Lara studied Kiera's chubby arms and thick lips. Eventually she took a deep breath. "I'm sorry," began Lara in apologetic tones, "but I don't feel the same way, and I never will. You just don't deserve my love or time." Kiera looked anxious. Her emotions rose like a condemned driving a hearse. Lara could actually hear Kiera's emotions shatter into 7,696 pieces. Then the smart student hurried away into the distance. Not even a drink of coke will calm Lara's nerves tonight. The end. Thank you so much.